Ma'am, now to a more dangerous virus than that of COVID has been spread.
Yes, beta, what to do? Can't help it, बच्चे. है ना?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Parth. Good morning. I hope you all have taken out your books.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
So let us do
Yes,
our
ma'am.
quickly. I'll take the attendance and then we start with the class. Tell me, 8C, with you the other day in the class, how much part of that chapter we have covered?
Ma'am, we have covered only the first 2 pages, ma'am. We were discussing.
Okay, we were discussing, right? Okay, fine. No issues. So quickly your attendance. And we start with the class, okay?
You may also
What you are saying, Vio?
ma'am, you may also open your camera.
Just a moment, just a moment. I'm adjusting it. I'm just opening, huh? Give me a
Morning,
moment.
ma'am.
Good morning, Beta Paulus.
Ma'am, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Utkarsh.
Ma'am, you are taking attendance.
Yes, Beta, I'm taking attendance. Give me a moment. Kartikeya. Okay. First of all, 8th A, I'll be taking the attendance. Okay. 8th A. I think you all must have planned your vacations. 4 days holidays for you.
मैम वेकेशन मैम ये थोड़ा होती है मैम.
Really, Kushagra?
मैम 3
पूरे साल से you are enjoying your vacations only, no? Sitting at home, taking the classes. Does it really make sense?
मैम.
No?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Harshit.
मैम at least 1 year holiday.
Ma'am, I was not able to. Ma'am, मतलब मैं join ही नहीं कर पा रहा था.
हाँ, वो हम यही देख रहे थे काफी टाइम से.
मैम at least 1 week holiday. मैम at least 1 week
So
holiday.
it is almost 1 week, beta.
Ma'am, no, ma'am, it is only 3 or 4 days.
Ma'am, there is a slight difference between a week and 4 days.
So you consider it
Ma'am,
as a
when
week holiday?
Ma'am, when
for 1 year.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
still
how
open
can we
next year.
consider it?
अभी एक संडे है.
Ma'am, we got 1 year holiday, ma'am, and he's saying 1 week
This
holiday
is what
more.
this is what I'm saying. This is what I'm saying. No. Chaliye.
ma'am, when the vacations are starting.
Ma'am, but in holidays, ma'am, classes are not there.
This is what, no.
Yes, ma'am.
So just 4 days. See, imagine 4 days holidays, no classes, no saying good morning, ma'am, no saying yes, ma'am, no, sir. See,
Ma'am, this year's summer vacations were also not there.
why 10 days holidays didn't you get?
Ma'am, there is a slight difference between a month and 10 days.
So
I'm not slight, it is far more difference.
there is a great
Ma'am,
difference,
20
right?
days.
Ma'am,
Yes,
ma'am,
beta. Hmm.
ma'am, ma'am, from 4th of January, ma'am, online classes will be there,
No,
na?
no. Beta, till actually,
Ma'am, offline has been
class 8th,
cancelled.
till class 8th, we'll be having online classes only. And for the 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, like whatever pattern we are following right now, we'll be continuing with the same. Online and offline both, but offline is only for 9th and 11th, 12th. And online classes for everyone.
Ma'am means online, ma'am, we
Ma'am, I
will
am feeling very good that
Hmm.
we are not in ninth class.
Oh, really? Really? Chalo, let us not waste much of time now. Yes,
Ma'am,
beta.
so ma'am, will we give, ma'am, for giving exams of the last term, ma'am, we have to come to school.
Beta, I have no idea. We'll be looking at the whatever the current situation will be, accordingly we'll be deciding. Right?
Ma'am, do you know, ma'am, that a new new species of COVID-19 has come in India, also.
Where in
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Where?
Ma'am, I was wanting that, ma'am, in February school are open, ma'am, but the exams are held to be online.
It is February. When you are saying it in English, it is February. In Hindi, it is February. Okay, very good.
Ma'am, in
Ma'am,
Nagpur.
February.
February. Beta, attendance. Let me take the attendance. Okay.
Ma'am, in Nagpur it has come.
Even in Delhi also
Ma'am,
they were saying. Even in Delhi.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, don't take attendance.
my
Ma'am, let's talk about coronavirus.
she told that
हाँ.
new species cases also come.
हाँ. New variant
Yes,
of.
ma'am, in today's newspaper.
Acha, I have not read it till now. Okay.
Ma'am, two-legged crocodile.
2 lakh crocodiles. What
Yes,
happened?
ma'am.
What happened to the crocodiles?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Chalo, okay. Attendance. Quickly your attendance. Anushka Gupta is there in the class? No. Aryan Gupta? Aryan Gupta, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then, do we have Bhavya Dikshit here in the class? No, Bhavya is not there. Then, Ayush Bharadwaj? Not there. Then, Daksh is there in the class?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Then, Ilma Khan? No, Ilma is also not there. Then, Parth is there?
Yes, ma'am, present, ma'am.
Kushagra Singh?
Yes, ma'am.
Kushagra Gautam? Okay, not there. Roma is there in the class? Roma, are you there, beta? No, she's not there. Maruf, Agaz, Kushal Gautam, Shoaib Barsi, Azan, Noor, Om, Priyanshi, Rehan, Roma, Sahil, Sharad. Sharad, are you there, beta?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sharad is there. Then Shreyansh, you are also there. Siddhant? Siddhant? No, Siddhant is not there. Sumit, Tanishka, are you there, beta? No. Usman, Vaibhav, Vansh. Yash Raj Raghuvanshi is there.
Yes, ma'am.
Vaibhav Gangwar. Vaibhav, are you there, beta? No. Okay, fine. Coming to 8C.
Ma'am, you have not taken my name.
Siddhi.
Ma'am, mine also.
I'm so sorry. Roma?
No, ma'am, Vanshika.
Okay. Vanshika is present. Siddhi is also there.
Yes, ma'am.
Anybody if I have left?
Ma'am, Aryan Patel.
आर्यन पटेल तो प्रेजेंट हो गए ना, मार्क कर दिया था हमने. नहीं, आर्यन गुप्ता को मार्क करा था. जस्ट अ मोमेंट बेटा. Aryan Patel. Yes. Ahana is there? No. Aradhya?
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Arush is not there. Abhish. Akshita Dev. Anshika Yadav.
Present, ma'am.
Rishit Yadav. Aryan Gangwar. Aryan, are you
Present,
there?
ma'am.
Okay. Asjad is
Ma'am,
not.
Arshit Yadav present.
Hanji beta, I have marked. Athar Verma is not there. Is he there, Athar? No. Avantika. Ayushi Nimesh. Bhavan.
Present, ma'am.
Yes, Avantika is present. Gurleen. Harshit Oberoi present. Ishi Agarwal.
Ma'am, Harshit Oberoi present.
Present. Ma'am,
Okay.
present.
Okay. Jay Kanojia. Jivyansh. Kartikeya Saxena. Khyati.
Divyansh present, ma'am.
Okay. Khyati is there? No. Kinjal. Mihika. Pratyut.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, Mihika present.
Mihika is present. Okay. Parush is there?
Parush present.
Okay. Pratyush, present. Saksham Sharma?
Present, ma'am.
Saksham, are you there? Saksham, are you there? बेटा चारू शर्मा के नाम से सक्षम ही है क्या व्योम?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
He has renamed himself. Now.
He is muted. Okay. Shagun.
Khyati present.
Okay. Khyati is present. Fine. Then Shambhavi is not there. Shashank, are you there, beta? No. Chutku is also not there. Shivansh?
I'm present.
Okay. Taran?
Present, ma'am.
Shreya?
Present, ma'am.
Utkarsh Gangwar? Vishesh Raghuvanshi? Vyom Saxena? Yashika?
Ma'am, Vyom Sharma present.
Vyom Sharma?
Ma'am, Vishesh Raghuvanshi present.
Present, ma'am. Ma'am, Vyom Sharma present.
Vyom Sharma present. Fine.
Yes.
And Yashika?
Yashika Saxena present.
Okay, beta. Okay. Fine.
Ma'am, have you marked me present?
Yes, beta Avantika.
I'm Shagun.
Shagun, I have marked you present. I saw you there, beta.
Ma'am, Akshita present.
Akshita is present. Yes. Fine. Others, those who will come?
Vyom Saxena.
Vyom Saxena is present. Fine. Now see, the other day when we were discussing about police and courts, we know that police has a separate role to play and courts have a separate role to play. But without each other's support, it is very difficult for the court to give punishment to the culprit, and it is difficult for the police to it is difficult for the police to give punishment without the help of the court, and it is not possible for the court to give a judgment unless a person is brought to the court. Right? So both of them are very important for maintaining law and order in the country. Right?
Ma'am, how police is useful?
Beta, police.
How police is helping courts?
How police is helping the courts? Because the people, those who make offenses or those who violate the law, these people are taken to the courts by the police only. Directly the court officials, the lawyers and the judges, they don't come and catch hold of these people. Right? It is the police who takes them to the court. Right?
Ma'am.
Yes, Vyom?
Ma'am, India won.
Yes, ma'am.
What?
Ma'am, India in test match. Right now.
Okay, right now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, class and the match.
Congratulations.
Ma'am, my father told.
Okay, that's good. That's really very good. Now, Taran, is your point clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
See, police has no authority to give punishments to any criminal, because a person is not a criminal unless and until the charges that are being put on that person are proved. And that proving part that yes, a person is guilty is always takes place in the court. And judges are there to decide on whether a person is guilty or not. Like you read in this case of Myra, where these friends were going out, they were riding, they were driving, like Myra was driving a car and other friends, they were sitting along with her. And suddenly the car met with an accident, and two of her friends, they died on the spot. They could not be taken to even to the hospital to give the first aid. But by the time, yes, Vyo.
Why police can't handle that cases? Can't handle the cases, or by means why all the cases are sent to court for the discussion?
Beta, the thing is that police is there to keep a check on the people who do not follow the rules, right? But as per the constitution, see, everybody's work is defined, whether it is police, whether it is the courts, the judges, the lawyers, prime minister, chief minister, president, governor, general ministers, the cabinet ministers. For everybody, the constitution has given certain powers to them, right? So these people, they have to act accordingly. They cannot take decisions on their own. Though we must have seen in movies, police is taking charges of several things, and then they are punishing also, they are torturing them, they are trying to convince the criminal to accept whatever offenses, whatever charges have been put on them. They try to by hook or by crook, the police tries to get the statement recorded. But then keeping in mind keeping in the the track that many of the cases were there where police was charged with forcefully, like police was charged that the police inspector of that particular station, particular police station where the person was arrested, was brought there, beating was there, and the person was forced to give a statement in favor that yes, I am the culprit. Confessions are taken. So these kind of things are not acceptable by the law. Whatever is your work, you have that. Yes, Vyo?
That you said that police purpose is to check whether they means they are all the
To arrest
going.
the person. No. See, police job of the police is that if a person has filed an FIR, then the police has to act accordingly. In accordance to that, the police has to act. But police cannot punish anybody. This punishment part is exclusively of the courts.
So everyone is police.
What?
So ma'am, everyone is police, because if anybody sees anyone doing a crime, he will report means FIR or anything against him. So ma'am, so means that everyone is a police officer.
No. It's not like that. See, I am a citizen, right? If I see anybody committing any crime, I am very weak person. I cannot, I know if I'll go there, if I'll try to stop them, they may, attack on me as well. So what will I do? I will go to the nearby police station. Whosoever is present over there, I'll try to, file my FIR over there and inform the police. If I am not in a capacity to go to the nearby police station, then what I will do, I will call the police that at so and so place crime is taking place. Kindly come and see or catch hold of the criminal. So I, being a citizen of the country, being an active citizen of the country, being a responsible citizen of the country, I have done my duty. I have informed the police about an offense that is taking place, right? But I myself cannot go and kill that person or hit that person because he is attempting a crime, right? I may try to see if a person is attacking me, I may safeguard myself, right?
Yes,
But then if I kill that person, there are certain laws, like, various offenses are there where in such cases where a person is, where a person is trying to, um, physically harass somebody, in that case, yes, of course, the person can attack in defense. That defense wala attacking part is always acceptable, right? Sometimes in such cases there are deaths as well, which is called as murder. But then when the court proceeding, in that case as well, police is not supposed to give punishment to anybody. Police simply has to prepare after the FIR is filed, the police has to prepare a charge sheet, write about that what was the offense, who all were there, who the witnesses and everybody. They prepare a charge sheet, and then the charge sheet is produced in the court. And according to the charge sheet, according to the charge sheet, the court proceedings take place, right? हाँ बताओ
So, when in what type of cases, ma'am, encounter takes place?
बेटा एनकाउंटर्स तो वो होते हैं जब कभी पुलिस कस्टडी से कोई भाग गया, या पुलिस को पता चला कि कहीं पे कुछ गलत काम हो रहा है, ठीक है, वहां पे उन्हें पता है कि भाई उनके पास भी आर्म्स एंड एमिनिशन बहुत उसमें है, और दे आर आल्सो इन अ पोजीशन कि भाई वो काउंटर अटैक कर सके। तो उन केसेस में क्या होता है कि जब दोनों तरफ से फायरिंग होती है, अगर कोई मर जाता है, ठीक है, और कई बार ऐसा होता है कि इन केसेस में, ऐसे केसेस में जब एनकाउंटर्स होते हैं तो मर जाते हैं लोग, ठीक है, वो क्योंकि दोनों तरफ से फायरिंग हो रही होती है, कॉन्टिन्यूस फायरिंग चल रही होती है। तो ऐसा एक तो हम सेल्फ डिफेंस में फायरिंग करते हैं कि भाई हमें गोली ना लगे, ठीक है, दूसरा हम इसलिए भी करते हैं कि भाई कोई वहां से भाग ना जाए, ठीक है, इन केसेस में। और एनकाउंटर्स जो होते हैं, इट इज बेसिकली टू कैच होल्ड ऑफ द क्रिमिनल्स, और अगर वो सब पकड़ में नहीं आते हैं, बाई चांस जो भी फायरिंग हो रही होती है उसमें अगर वो उनको गोली लग जाती है तो वो मर जाते हैं, एंड इट इज कॉल्ड एज एनकाउंटर, ठीक है।
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, last thing, ma'am. So, ma'am, ma'am, there would be, ma'am, one letter or application written by a commissioner or judge that you are, if you feel that the criminal is means not he is in he is dominating you, or he is trying to escape, you may encounter him. Ma'am,
हाँ बिल्कुल, ऐसा देखो बेटा, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि रिटन परमिशन भी नहीं होती है। भाई हम किसी बहुत हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल को जो है अपने कस्टडी में लेके जा रहे हैं। जैसे आपने मूवीज में देखा होगा कि भाई जो हार्डकोर क्रिमिनल्स होते हैं उनको कोर्ट ने जो है अपना डिसीजन दिया, फिर कहा कि भाई इनको जो है लाइफ टाइम इम्प्रिजनमेंट हो जाएगी, ठीक है। कोर्ट से उनको जिस जेल में जहां पे भी उनको इम्प्रिजन करना है, ठीक है, उस जगह पे ले जाया जाता है। इन बिटवीन, इन मिडवे, अगर कोई अटैक करता है भाई उसको छुड़वाने की, या वो एस्केप करने की कोशिश करता है, तो इन दैट केस भी इनकाउंटर्स हो जाते हैं। तो जरूरी नहीं है कि हमेशा आप इनकाउंटर के लिए आपके पास रिटन परमिशन हो, है ना। इनकाउंटर्स जो होते हैं
विकास दुबे।
हाँ बेटा, विकास दुबे का केस एग्जैक्टली हमें नहीं पता है क्या है क्या नहीं है, बट एनकाउंटर्स ऐसे ही होते हैं। आपने सुना होगा वीरप्पन, मतलब बहुत सारे केस जब हम स्कूल में पढ़ते थे, हम पढ़ते थे कि भाई पुलिस ने एनकाउंटर करा। देयर वाज अ मूवी आल्सो ऑफ नाना पाटेकर, जिसमें कि वो एक ऐसे पुलिस वाले का उन्होंने रोल,
अब तक 56
शायद ऐसा कुछ मूवी है, मुझे एग्जैक्टली नाम नहीं पता है बेटा, बट मुझे पता है कि कुछ एक मूवी है जिसमें कि एनकाउंटर्स वगैरह के बारे में ही बताया गया था कि देयर वाज अ पुलिस इंस्पेक्टर हु वाज वेरी गुड एट दिस। तो जब भी कभी जब इस तरीके के ऑफेंसेस होते थे या कोई क्रिमिनल आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल हो जाता था, तो फिर उसके एनकाउंटर्स करवा दिए जाते थे। ऐसा कुछ बताया गया था उस मूवी में। तो शायद हो सकता है प्रत्युष यही मूवी हो, अब तक 56 वाली, है ना।
मैम इन द लास्ट ही किल्ड द सीएम।
अच्छा
मैम इन अब तक 56 2 मैम बिकॉज़ द सीएम वाज आल्सो अ क्रिमिनल।
अच्छा
मैम बट इट वाज नॉट लीगल। And then
it is not
inquiry was
legal.
there.
Exactly, this is not legal. You cannot kill a high official person. भाई CM तो एक elected representative होता है of the people in a country, है ना। तो वो हम ये काम नहीं कर सकते, ये हमारे पास अथॉरिटी नहीं।
Ma'am, he also made, ma'am, the CM was involved in, ma'am, like ma'am, when he has a contact with terrorist, ma'am, and he also killed the earlier ma'am CM to become the CM.
हाँ वो तो बेटा ये दिस इज ऑल अबाउट पॉलिटिक्स, ये सब चीजें बहुत चलती हैं, तो लेट अस नॉट डिस्कस दैट, ओके, राइट नाउ ओवर हियर, ठीक है। नाउ इट इज क्लियर,
yes, ma'am.
फाइन। So coming back to the role of courts and police, इतना आप लोगों को समझ में आ गया कि भाई पुलिस जो है comes and takes care इसकी भाई.
Ma'am, like Pratyush said, ma'am, ma'am, some people said that, ma'am, that Sanjay Gandhi was killed by her mother.
Sanjay Gandhi?
Yes, ma'am.
I don't know.
Ma'am, Sanjay Gandhi died in a plane crash, but I've heard that he was killed by his mother.
अरे बाबा,
Yes, ma'am.
ऐसा हमने नहीं सुना है. I have no idea.
Ma'am, I have also heard that Ma'am
Ma'am,
Sanjay
because
Gandhi was
इतने
killed by
बड़े
Indira Gandhi.
politician को, ma'am, because ma'am, he was, ma'am, वो था तो कांग्रेस का, पर मैम लोगों से ज्यादा पसंद करते थे इंदिरा गांधी से. एंड मैम इंदिरा गांधी वांट दैट शी, मैम उसी को वो रहना चाहिए पीएम जब तक वो है. मैम दैट्स व्हाई शी मेक हिम किल. मैम सो मैम अगर उसने नहीं मारा होता तो मैम वाई इतने बड़ा पॉलिटिशियन और इतना बढ़िया पायलट ने, मैम प्लेन खराब होगा उसका, मैम पूरी चेक करके दी जाती है प्लेन.
बेटा वो बात ठीक है, वो बात ठीक है हर्षित, बट कोई माँ अपने बच्चों को क्यों मरवाएगी, ये वाली बात भी तो है.
मैम
हो सकता है, देखो हो सकता
Ma'am, I
है.
have heard that आपस में उन दोनों की कभी बनी नहीं.
अच्छा बेटा, ये सब तो हमें
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
मालूम.
Ma'am, that's true. आपस में संजय गांधी और इंदिरा गांधी की कभी बनी नहीं.
अच्छा, maybe I have no idea about this, but हो सकता है
Sanjay Gandhi was more favorite for the people.
In politics, everything can happen.
Exactly. Politics is something where you cannot predict anything, and where everything is possible. Everything.
Ma'am, and have you seen Ma'am Tashkent Files?
Beta,
Ma'am,
not
Tashkent Files.
Ma'am, about Lal Bahadur Shastri.
Lal Bahadur Shastri, that how he
Yes, ma'am.
died. Like the people, this so even I have, like it came in the newspaper, when this movie was there during that time. Many of the people, like they wrote in the newspapers, in the magazines also, that this Tashkent, when Lal Bahadur Shastri went for this Tashkent agreement, there, he all of a sudden he met with an accident, like that was a heart attack he got. But then people were saying that it was a plan, it was something that was planned. But then no such proofs are there that yes, it was planned by somebody. But this is all about politics.
Ma'am, the role of Jayanti Lal Teja, ma'am, but the scene was cut, ma'am, from the movie.
Acha.
Ma'am,
only half I could see that. I could not.
Lal Bahadur Shastri was also killed.
Yes. This is what I'm saying. That I read in the newspapers when this movie was, released. That people, some of the politicians wanted this movie not to be released. They said it will give a bad impact of, certain political parties which were involved. So that is why.
Of course, it will give a bad impact.
Yes,
this is Indira Gandhi closed the committee, ma'am, that was researching about the death.
Investigating.
Yes, ma'am.
She didn't wanted that, ma'am, the Lal Bahadur Shastri would be called as a martyr.
Okay. Maybe because see, we cannot we can only give judgments by reading and listening to what is told to us, right? But actually what has happened, we cannot say anything about it,
right? Ma'am, and in the end of the movie, ma'am, there was a book written by ma'am Mitrokin, ma'am, pages were shown, ma'am. In that, ma'am, it was, ma'am, the last chapter was special relationship with India, ma'am. In that, ma'am, he wrote that, ma'am, that Indira Gandhi was a ma'am, she was a spy also, ma'am. And he told that, ma'am, she used to get, ma'am, suitcases full of, ma'am, money.
For?
Ma'am, money.
No, means for what? For money for what she used to get?
Ma'am, that time, ma'am, उसने बस इतना लिखा था कि उसको पैसे मिलते थे.
अच्छा.
Ma'am, do you know? Ma'am, ये जो ma'am, now Congress is not good, ma'am, because ma'am लोगों को ये समझ में आ गया कि ma'am Congress never made any roads, or ma'am they didn't did that much development that BJP did. Ma'am, but ma'am, I'm not in the favor of any party, ma'am, but ma'am, as per the facts, ma'am, कांग्रेस मैम बाहर पैसा देती है दूसरे देशों को चमचागिरी करने के लिए.
ये बेटा एक्चुअली पता है क्या है, हम ये सब चीजें जो हम मीडिया में सुनते हैं, वी कैन नॉट कम्प्लीटली ट्रस्ट देम एज वेल. उसका रीजन पता है क्या है हर्षित?
मैम ये मैम कहीं मैम मैंने मीडिया में नहीं सुनी मैम
हाँ
वैसे मैम दे वर गिविंग दी कंट्री मनी टू अदर कंट्रीज मैम एक ही मतलब हुआ कि वो चमचागिरी करते थे उन कंट्रीज की मैम बट नाउ इंडिया हैज बिकम मोर पावरफुल देन बिफोर
एग्जैक्टली वो तो फिर है, देखो वो तो नो डाउट। हर्षित पता है बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होते हैं बेटा, बहुत सारी चीजें होती हैं जिससे ये सब चीजें डिसाइड होती हैं। एक तो हमारा कंट्री इज इन अ पोजीशन जहाँ पे हमारे पास जो यूथ का पॉपुलेशन है इट इज मोर। जैसे अभी आप ज्योग्राफी में अगर आपने पॉपुलेशन चैप्टर पढ़ लिया है, ह्यूमन रिसोर्सेज एक चैप्टर होगा आपकी ज्योग्राफी में, उसमें एक्सक्लूसिवली ये बताया गया है कि जिस भी कंट्री में देयर इज ऑलवेज जो हमारा जो कंट्री का ना एक पॉपुलेशन पिरामिड होता है किसी भी कंट्री में। हमें ये अगर पता करना है
मैम
कि
यस मैम दैट्स व्हाई इंडिया इज कॉल्ड ये देश है वीर जवानों का।
एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि यूथ का जो पॉपुलेशन है परसेंटेज जो है कंपैरेटिवली इट इज मोर देन एनी अदर कंट्री। और ये भी कारण है कि हमारा जो यूथ है इस समय जो हमारा यूथ है इट इज दे आर क्वाइट अवेयर। पहले के जो लोग थे एक तो भाई अवेयरनेस कम थी, ठीक है। जैसे जैसे हमारे पास हमारी टेक्नोलॉजी डेवलप हुई, जैसे जैसे हमारे पास अवेयरनेस के सोर्सेज बढ़े, ठीक है, तो जब लोग अवेयर हुए तो उन्हें पता चला कि भाई क्या चीज उनके लिए अच्छा है, क्या चीज उनके लिए गलत है। तो अकॉर्डिंगली पीपल स्टार्टेड एक्टिंग। पहले ये होता था, अगर आपने देखा हो तो हम लोग एक भेड़ चाल को फॉलो करते थे, है ना। अगर किसी ने कहा ये गलत है तो गलत है, बिना ये सोचे समझे कि भाई हम अपना दिमाग लगा लें कि भाई वो अगर कह रहा है गलत है तो क्यों गलत है, और अगर सही है तो क्यों सही है। तो हम अपने जो इंस्टिंक्ट्स थे उनको हम नहीं सुनते थे। हम बस जो सामने वाले ने कहा उसको सुन के हम कहते थे हाँ
मैम
भाई।
हैव यू सीन 31st अक्टूबर मूवी? मैम नाम है 31st अक्टूबर मूवी का।
हीरो कौन है उसमें?
मैम हीरो
मैम
मैम वो
हीरोइन विल
अनुपम खेर?
सोहा अली खान।
अनुपम खेर की तो
नो
नहीं है?
मैम उसका कोई हीरो हीरोइन ही नहीं है मैम उसमें बस ये दिखाया गया कि इंदिरा गांधी को कैसे
मारा गया
मारा
था।
गया और फिर उसके बाद कैसे दंगे हुए। मैम दैट दंगे वाला पार्ट मैम इन विच मैम वन ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल वाज किलिंग अदर ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल। मैम वो आम आदमी तो नहीं हो सकते मैम बिकॉज
हाँ
मैम आम आदमी कभी अपने साथी को क्यों मारेगा।
एग्जैक्टली बेटा, जब इंदिरा गांधी जी की डेथ हुई थी उस टाइम पे बहुत ज्यादा राइट्स हुए थे। आई स्टिल रिमेम्बर, आई वाज इन 84 में, आई वाज इन क्लास 3 और 4 आई बिलीव। वन फाइन डे आई
मैम यू
स्लेप्ट,
आर ओनली 7-8 years old।
आई वाज इन क्लास 3 और 4 इन 84 1984। I was quite young that time. So I only heard, like my father, all of a sudden, like even the army was deployed for, because civil rights were taking place. Even my father was posted that time in Jammu, right? तो वहां पे भी situations were not under control. पापा जहाँ पोस्टेड थे that area was सतवारी, वो एरिया सतवारी था, वो कंटोनमेंट एरिया था। पापा का जो रेजिडेंट था वो वहीं पे था। तो
मैम
हम
where मैम I didn't listen please repeat
इन जम्मू,
from starting।
इन जम्मू नियर रेलवे स्टेशन
Yes ma'am।
सतवारी। हाँ,
Ma'am
वेरी,
that Jammu Tawi station।
yes, Jammu Tawi station. So cantonment area was quite near to that place, to the station. So like in the night when I slept, everything was normal. Nothing was shown in the news. And the next day when we got up to get ready for the school, we came to know कि भाई हाँ नहीं डेथ हो चुकी थी। डेथ के 2 दिन के बाद जो है राइट्स, क्योंकि दूरदर्शन पे उस समय दूरदर्शन नहीं आता था, तो हम जो है टीवी देख रहे थे, टीवी में कुछ आ नहीं रहा था। तो आई टोल्ड माय मदर, मम्मी ऐसा क्यों हो गया है? देन शी टोल्ड मी कि बेटा वो जो हमारी प्राइम मिनिस्टर थी उनकी डेथ हो गई है, और जो है इसीलिए जो है नेशनल वही मॉर्निंग होती है तो वो है, तो इसलिए कोई प्रोग्राम नहीं आएगा, कुछ नहीं आएगा, बस वो एक म्यूजिक बजते रहता था, मतलब सैड वो उसको शो करने के लिए ना, क्लासिकल वो होता था। तो हम लोग अच्छा ठीक है हम खेलने जा रहे हैं, तो बट देन माय मदर टोल्ड मी कि बेटा नीचे नीचे आप मत जाओ, बिकॉज बाहर का जो है वो सेफ नहीं है। तो आई डिड नॉट गो आउट ऑफ द कैंटोनमेंट एरिया। मैं फिर हमने कॉलोनी में हम लोग खेल रहे थे। तो नेक्स्ट डे मॉर्निंग जब हम लोग उठे स्कूल जाने के लिए, तो पता चला कि सब स्कूल वगैरह सब बंद कर दिए गए बिकॉज द कर्फ्यू वाज इम्पोज्ड इन द सिटी, क्योंकि थिंग्स वर नॉट गेटिंग अंडर कंट्रोल, कंप्लीटली आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल चीजें जा रही थी। कॉलेजेस वगैरह में भी मतलब सब कुछ बंद हो गया था, सब कुछ बंद हो गया था। तो हमें इतना खराब लगा, तो हम लोग को मजबूरी में टीवी देखना पड़ता था। तो न्यूज ऑफ कोर्स आती थी, तो वही सुनते थे, तो बस उसी में हम देखते थे दिल्ली में क्या हो रहा है। मतलब हर पूरे कंट्री में बहुत बुरी हालत थी। पर सबसे ज्यादा
यस
कन्फ्यूजन
मैम, दूरदर्शन में किसी भी चैनल का कोई टाइम नहीं होता था मैम, मैंने अपनी मम्मी से पूछा था।
हाँ,
मैम
नहीं
अब तो मैम
आता
वी
था
नो मैम दैट डेडिकेटेड प्रोग्राम विल कम इन दिस चैनल मैम,
एग्जैक्ट।
बट तो
उस टाइम पे कुछ
मैम
नहीं
अगर उसका कुछ टाइम भी होगा तो भी मैम वो टाइम से नहीं चलता था, वो अपनी मर्जी से दिखाते थे।
एग्जैक्टली क्योंकि लोगों के पास मजबूरी थी ना बेटा कि दूरदर्शन ही था केवल, और कुछ था ही नहीं। तो उस टाइम हमने देखा कि भाई किस तरीके से दंगे फसाद हो रहे हैं, लोगों को पकड़ पकड़ के मारा जा रहा है। तो हम तो बहुत डर गए थे ऐसी सिचुएशन से, क्योंकि दैट वाज माय फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस इस तरीके की चीज हमारी कंट्री में हो रही है। तो आई वाज क्वाइट स्कैर्ड। तो हमने अपनी मम्मी से पूछा, बिकॉज पापा लोगों को सबको आगे भेज दिया गया था फॉर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ द सिचुएशन, क्योंकि आर्मी का भी रोल होता ही है कंट्रोल करने में ना, सिटी में जो भी इस तरीके की चीजें होती हैं। तो all the ladies were there, no males were there, like all the husbands, everybody had gone out there. तो हम अपनी मम्मी से बड़ा उनको भी बड़ा परेशान करते थे, इतने इतने सवाल होते थे, हम सब छोटे छोटे थे तो दसियों चीजें पूछते थे, मम्मी ऐसा क्यों गया, ऐसा, अच्छा पापा कब आएंगे, अगर कुछ हो गया तो, अगर ऐसा हो गया तो, अगर ऐसा हो गया तो, वैसा हो गया तो अच्छा हमें डर, क्योंकि आर्मी एरियाज में भाई आर्मिनेशन वगैरह तो का स्टॉक रहता ही है, अलग अलग एरियाज उनके होते ही हैं। तो हमें लगा अगर किसी ने बॉम्ब फेंक दिया वहां पे तो क्या होगा, हम लोग सब मर जाएंगे। तो माय मदर वाज लाइक, शी वाज लाफिंग, यू नो, शी हैड अ गुड लाफ। बोली बेटा ऐसा कुछ नहीं होगा, बट इस सिटी के अंदर थोड़ा सा सिचुएशन खराब है यहाँ पे।
मैम हॉलिडे,
तो हाँ वी एंजॉयड, यू नो 20 डेज का हॉलिडे मिला था हम लोग को, 20 डेज का कर्फ्यू था एंड वी वर।
मैम हम तो आपको कह सकते हैं मैम हमें 1 ईयर का
चलो
हॉलिडे